Hey, Celia. Are you having a good time? Celia. Celia. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you sitting up just like the big people do? Are you? Let me see you kick your feet. Can you kick your feet? Let me see. You're so good at that. You're so good at that. Good job. Good job. That was such a good job. Yes, it was. Yeah. You're really good at it. Do you want to do it again? Do it again? Let's see you. Let's see it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. What a big girl. Yeah. Oh. Wow. That was really good. That was really good. I'm impressed. You look like you've been working very, very hard on that. Have you been working really hard? Have you? Wow. You're such a good girl. That's really good. It is. I promise I liked it a lot. I really liked it a lot. Oh, I did. You want to wave? Can you wave? You waved to Daddy, sort of. You want to wave? Alright, we'll stop.